Hello everyone, it's me, Henry Buxtall. Welcome to my channel, Troubleshooting with Henry. Today's episode is part 3 of different countries, different customs. As I discussed in the first 2 episodes on this topic, traveling in other countries will present you with new or different ways of doing things. In the last episode on this topic, I'll focus on social practices and customs that might be different and how you can embrace the challenge. Religious and social practices may be different from what you're used to, so it's important to remember you're a guest in someone else's country. It's up to you to figure out what's happening and why. Research their customs, and remember, respectful observation is essential. There's often a long history associated with many of the customs. For example, there are religious festivities that involve noisy parades with large numbers of participants, some of which happen late into the night. One such example that my traveling companions and I encountered was Semana Santa in Spain. It means Holy Week in Spanish, and it takes place just before Easter. There are huge parades with drums and trumpets. The parades fill the streets late into the night. It's amazing to see, but not so great if you're trying to sleep, because they can go on until the wee hours of the morning, and not just for one night, for the whole week. Another well-established custom in many European countries is closing your window shutters as soon as it gets dark. These are made of wood or metal and close over the outside of window panes. Closing your shutters is a big process, but very important. This custom has to do with a protection from the weather and safety, but most importantly, privacy. In Canada, we usually just have inside curtains or blinds, so this is unusual to us. This custom comes from not wanting your neighbors to know your business. Throughout European history, there have been different government regimes and wars. Closing your shutters was a way of preventing spying and reporting amongst neighbors with different political beliefs. Privacy in the home is highly valued. The original reason for this practice is not so common now, but people have gotten used to doing it, so close your shutters. In many places in Europe, women often go topless on beaches. This is considered perfectly normal. There are also a lot of nude beaches. Some basic guidelines you should follow in these situations are: don't stare, just keep walking, eyes up. It's normal to want to look, but don't stare. The difference is a matter of seconds. 1 or 2 seconds is okay, but no more than that. You don't want to offend anyone. Another practice that's common in France and in other countries in Europe has to do with standing in line. When you're in line, people don't get impatient like they do in Canada. There's a calmness. The shopkeeper gives their full attention to the person whose turn it is. They can take as much time as they need. It's their turn. At first, my companions and I were worried and apologetic about taking too much time at the cash register. But then we realized there was no need. It was our turn, and that was respected. So relax in lineups. You can't make things go any faster, and everyone will get their turn. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe below. And as always, special thanks to Johnny Flynn for giving us permission to use his beautiful music. Happy travels!